So it says use the length of this page to estimate 1 foot. So if you have a piece of paper next to you, that's what you would use as a piece of paper to kind of estimate a foot. Or again, you can use this part of your arm. Find something near you that's about 1 foot long. It doesn't need to add up perfectly. So if I were to take something that's next to me right now, I have my big water bottle that you guys have seen before. If I hold it up to here, that's about a foot. So for my answer, that's what I'm going to put. That something that was near me was my water bottle. And then you might have something different. Maybe, I'm not going to give you too many answers, but maybe something next to you, like if I took my phone, is this about a foot? No, so I couldn't put my phone. But if I had, I'm trying to think what else is next to me. Maybe I have a bunch of paper bags and I put it next to here. It's a little bit bigger than a foot, but it's pretty close, so I could use the paper bags. So that would be something that's close to a foot that was near me. Maybe you have a book that's near you that's close to a foot. I have this vase right here with these flowers that are kind of dying. But if I hold it up to here, you can see that that's about a foot. So that is something that I might put as about a foot. So yeah, whatever's close to that, that would work.